Ready to ditch the learning curve and discover which platform reigns supreme? Let's dive into Skool vs Heygen. First up, Skool. Notice the clean interface. It's built for community interaction and hosting courses directly within groups. The focus is on building a membership-based ecosystem. Setting up a group is straightforward. You can customize your welcome message, create modules for courses, and interact with members in real time. Think of it as a community-driven learning hub. Now let's shift gears to HeyGen, a platform that's all about AI-powered video creation. The core strength: effortless avatared videos. Creating a video is simple. Choose an avatar from their library, type your script, and HeyGen generates a professional-looking video. It's perfect for tutorials, marketing content, and more. Price plays a huge role. Skool offers a straightforward single-tier pricing model, while HeyGen has multiple tiers depending on the length and quantity of videos you need. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your needs. Skool excels at community building and course hosting. HeyGen is the champion for quick and easy video creation. Choose the one that aligns with your primary goals.